Good evening, I'm Paul the Tech Giant, and tonight I'm going to tell you what I feel are the best things about this 65-inch Samsung QN800A. Right, let's fire straight into this now then, and the first best thing about this 8K TV is the One Connect box. And if you don't know what a One Connect box is, well, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It's got simply one connection from an external box that houses all your inputs and outputs, and this one cable supplies your image, your audio and your power to the TV. So you don't have to have a bunch of cables going to the TV, just this One Connect cable to the One Connect box. So for the next best thing, we're going to head back to the One Connect box again, because the 4 HDMIs which are on this One Connect box all can do 4K at 120 Hz, which is great news if you own a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, because you'll be able to take full advantage of what those consoles can offer. Now, one other great thing about this TV is going back to the One Connect cable again, because this year it is far thicker than it has been in previous years, and they were renowned for breaking, and they were very expensive to replace. But Samsung have upped their game and made it considerably thicker, so hopefully this should be far more durable. Next up on the best things list then, and it is no surprise, and it is the picture quality. Trust me, the picture on this TV is very nice indeed. And what makes it even better is the upscaling. It does a very good job and offers a very sharp image indeed. So if you like a sharp picture, then this may be the TV for you. Moving on then, and the next best thing about this TV is the fact that in some parts of the world you get 2 remote controls. Yes, 2 remote controls. You get one sort of a cheaper affair with plenty of buttons on it, but it's still very functional. And then you get this very swanky little number, more minimalistic, and it's just really handy to have 2 remote controls. So that's the next best thing on this list. Now, the next thing that is worth highlighting is to do with the remote control once again. And this swanky one in particular, and the great thing about it is it doesn't require batteries. No, you can plug it in and charge it up. But it gets even better than that, because if you flip it over, oh yes, it is solar powered. So pop it in the window and charge it up for free. What a great idea. Moving on to the next great thing about this TV, and that is the fact that you can pick this up from Boxco.uk, who were kind enough to send it over, which has allowed me to test it out. And if you was to purchase this TV from them, you'll get a free 6-year protection plan included, free delivery, and you'll be safe in the knowledge knowing that they price match all the major competitors. So please go and check out their link in the description. Now, the next great selling point about these TVs has got to be the brightness, because boy do these TVs get bright. Now, currently this TV is only set to 30 out of a potential 50 that you can crank it up to. And if you've got a particularly bright room, lots of sunlight streaming in, then these are the TVs that you've got to be looking at. Trust me, they get super, super bright. As you can see, it is really, really nice and bright. We've got really strong lighting in here, and it's not having any issues whatsoever with overcoming those bright bulbs. Now, it's all well and good having a great looking picture, it's all well and good having a bright picture, but it ain't no good if when you sit off axis, it looks a load of rubbish. But I am pleased to say that when you move around, this TV does a very good job of maintaining the picture. So yes, the viewing angles on this TV are very good indeed. And that's very handy if you've got maybe sofas set off to one side and you want to make sure that everyone gets a great viewing experience, which they will with this TV. Now, what's got to be worth mentioning about this TV is the design. It is absolutely beautiful and got to be one of the best currently on the market. And if we go in a little bit closer, you can see just how thin those bezels are. But what I particularly like is the design of the frame. It does look very nice indeed and looks just as nice when the TV is off as when it is on. The next best feature about this TV is something that I'm sure everyone will use at some time or another, and that is the Samsung TV Plus. So what is this exactly? Well, I'm not on Sky TV or any paid service at the moment. I'm on Samsung TV Plus's guide at the moment, which is basically a shed load of free movies and TV shows, which is all ready to go out of the box. You've not got to sign up to anything, no subscriptions, no payment fees, nothing. It is all completely free and you can fill your boots until your heart is content. Now, something that is very important with a TV these days is the selection of apps and catch-up services. And I am pleased to say that this TV has a shed load of them. So if you are in the UK, you'll be pleased to hear that this TV does have the BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, and it also has 4 and 5 as well. So all the major catch-up services, but also we have the Apple TV app on there. We have YouTube, we have Now TV, Disney Plus, Prime Video, Netflix, and loads more. Now, something that I've not set up on this TV, but many will find very handy, is the voice assistant. And it's not just one voice assistant, we have a number of them. So we have Amazon Alexa, we have Bixby, and we also have the Google Assistant. So yeah, plenty to choose from. Moving on to the home straight now then, and we've got a couple of great features for you gamers out there. So grabbing our remote control and holding down the play pause button, and we bring up the game bar, and just look at it. It is full of information that you gamers will want to know. So we've got stuff like about the input lag, the frames per second, whether HDR is on or off, and VRR. And that brings us to the next great selling point of this TV. It has FreeSync Premium. So you are going to get a buttery smooth image, no stuttering or tearing. And that's what every gamer out there wants. And the other great thing about this game bar is that you can go directly from here into the game settings without having to troll through loads of menus, which again is great. And that is a wrap then, folks. So some great features there, I think you will agree. And I'd love to hear in the comments section, what feature did you think was the best out of the lot? Now, if you have enjoyed the video today, do me a favour and just hit that thumbs up button. Only takes a second. And also do me a massive favour of subscribing if you haven't. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, and hopefully I can do it very soon with your help. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.